Hi girls, welcome back. My name is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect, and I coach women how to write a better story through the power of scripting. And in today's video, I have a new line dropping today, and it's our children's line, and I'm very, very excited about it. Stay tuned. Okay girls, I'm excited for this drop because children love to do and follow along and be included in what we're doing all the time. And so I'm a mom of 8, so I mean, that was me. I even developed back a long time ago when I first created this method and these planners. Definitely was when I didn't have much resources, but I remember I just put together like a little 3-ring small Avery binder, drew something and put it in the sleeve for her, my Bella. She was the main one who wanted to plan. And I put in these, I put in exactly the method. So she had some plain paper, she had a place for goals, and just like how the method set up. And she just wanted to be a part, and she would write down everything that she wanted to do and dream, and she had a fun time planning with me. So even as a grandma now that I have 2 grandsons, whenever I plan, whenever I have, get out that planner or whatever, they love to go grab Gwammy's journals that I have stashed and draw right along with me. And I've got books full of my grandchildren that have filled them up and put stickers in them, drew in them. It is absolutely priceless, and they're keepsakes. And what is even better is that you can customize it to put your child's name on it or whatever you like. So that's what makes it good. I try to make sure I had enough boys and girls, and from so far what I'm hearing is even adults love them too. So without further ado, I'm gonna flip you around, show you what's dropping today. And they are gonna be coming, by the way, because I had a huge interest with adults loving them too, that we will include them in the lineup to be included for the 12-month planners, the agendas, and our 1-month planners as well. So hey, it's gonna be locked and loaded. Even if you want to have your child or your teen get going on it, we got you covered. And that's just the beginning. We'll always be adding to our new children's line with new covers. These are graphically done. Sometimes if I'm able, I may be able to even paint some of the children's line. So anyways, lots of fun coming. Let me turn you around and show you the first release. Okay girls, this is what's coming to the children's line. This first initial drop, so exciting, so much fun. I know any grandchild or child at heart is going to absolutely love this first lineup. So let's go ahead and get started. I've got a little bit more on the girl end, but super fun. I gave you some just examples of different just names. Obviously, a lot of my kids made the cut, but look at how cute this monster book is. I wanted to make sure you guys really got to see the back. It's the same as the front and the back, and these are all journals. They will come in planners and 12-month and agendas as well. How fun is that? So this is the first one. Then we have this really cute monster one. It kind of reminded me of Monsters, Inc. Okay, so cute. Another one of my son's names made the cut. Fun, right? Then I've got my grandbabies on here. Oh my gosh, they would absolutely love these, and I actually am going to be giving these to them. So I can't wait. I just can't wait. This is my Wesley's. So he's only 2, he'll be 3, and this is perfect for a young one who wants to just doodle and have fun, and you can use that as a keepsake. This is Waylon. Look at the dinosaurs. I absolutely loved how that turned out. These are A5s, but you can get them in all of our sizes. I've got a really cute unicorn one with hearts, totally girled and decked out. The font here is amazing. Here's the back. Look at how cute. Then we've got one for maybe even an older girl, 12 to the teens. I thought this was kind of cute. Love it. Then we've got daisies and bees. Front and the same in the back. Look at how cute. Totally cute. Again, available in 12-month, 6-month agendas. Look at these cats. Look at these cats. Okay? Look at the back. OMG. Do you see how cute it is? I screamed. I did. I literally screamed. Look at how cute. And look at this guy. Oh my gosh. And of course, you guys can put anything you want. It's customized, so you can put whatever you want on the top of these or in the boxes. And then we've got our last one. Look at him on this beautiful kind of like a teal, like a blue gray actually. Look at how cute. Again, same back. So girls, the children's line is here. It will be continually added upon all of the time. There's actually one other one that is missing because my son Blaine took it and I don't know where it is, but it is a gaming one, like PlayStation controls, Xbox controls, which are really good for boys and teens. That one, you'll see it on the site. Launches today, girls, at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. It'll be in our store and totally available. It's under a new collection called Children's Line. Have fun. Until next time.